Hello kids, let's learn vegetable names. Let's start. Spinach. This is spinach. Kohlrabi. This is kohlrabi. Sweet potato. This is sweet potato. Apple gourd. This is apple gourd. Taro root. This is taro root. Broccoli. This is broccoli. Mushroom. This is mushroom. Turnip. This is turnip. Drumstick. This is drumstick. Chayote. This is chayote. Yam. This is yam. Parsnip. This is parsnip. Snake gourd. This is snake gourd. Zucchini. This is zucchini. Corn. This is corn. Curry leaves. This is curry leaves. Spine gourd. This is spine gourd. Guar. This is guar. Winged beans. This is winged beans. Green long beans. This is green long beans. Runner beans. This is runner beans. Cluster beans. This is cluster beans. Green beans. This is green beans. Broad beans. This is broad beans. Please like the video and share and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.